Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren. Today we're going to do something I've never done before on the channel. I try to do that all the time. But we're going to make some Greek chicken pitas using some Kirkland chicken breast and some FreshJax Greek seasoning. And we're going to sous vide these for a little bit, but then we're going to finish them up on the Camp Chef flat top. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright all, I got my chicken out here. These are Costco chicken breasts. They come 2 in a pack. A lot of people ask me, or I see on the Facebook groups all the time, can I sous vide in the packaging that these chicken breasts come in on Costco? And I always tell them, no, you can, but you shouldn't. The reason why is, just like with these, I had 3 packs. There's 2 in each pack. I defrosted them in my refrigerator overnight, and actually 2 of these packs leaked chicken water all over. I had them in a pan, but they leaked it all out of the bag and into the pan. So they need to be taken out and rebagged at least, or you can keep them in that bag, but make sure you rebag them, because they're not hermetically sealed. They're not, all of them are not going to be as sealed as you think they are. I always advise rebag them, or at least put that bag in another bag. So alright, so I got my chicken breasts out. These are just regular chicken breasts. I'm going to go ahead and season these up before we throw them in the sous vide. I am going to sous vide them. And the reason I'm going to sous vide these, even though I'm going to finish them on the grill, is because I want these cooked all the way. I'm going to cook them at 148 degrees Fahrenheit in my sous vide. I'm using my Nice Wave here. It's already set up to 148. It's ready to go. So the reason I want to cook these all the way is because I want to be able to finish them pretty quick when I get them on the griddle. The griddle's going to be really hot, over 500 degrees. All I want to do when I get on the griddle is get a nice Maillard reaction, that sear, the browning. I don't want to have to wait for them to cook all the way through and get all that moisture and goodness out of the chicken that I want. So I'm going to just leave them on in the sous vide bath for about 2 hours. We're going to take them out. We're going to put a little bit more seasoning on them. We're going to throw them on our hot griddle, and then we're going to get them all seared up really nice, and then we're going to have them on the pita. So I'm going to go ahead and right now I'm going to season these up on both sides. Like I said, this is the FreshJax Greek seasoning, and I'll leave a link to this below. I love this seasoning. I've used it a few times already. It's got garlic and all sorts of fresh herbs, salt of course, but I'm going to go ahead and get both sides of these really good. And like I said, I'm going to season them up just a little bit before we put them in the bag, because I want, even though it might not penetrate the chicken all the way, it is going to season the outside of these chicken breasts and leave me a nice base of seasoning. So when they come out, they will, I put a little bit more on, and then we will fry them up on the griddle. So that's it. I'm going to get these all seasoned up here. Like I said, you don't have to coat them, all the way. Just get a nice base. So you got some seasoning pretty much on all parts of it. And that's it, because we are going to re-season these. I got my bags here, my edges folded. I've got 6 breasts here. pita here, and I'm just going to put a couple pieces of the chicken on here. Give this a little test. It smells wonderful, all those Greek spices in there. Put that down. I got a little cheese. We ran out of feta, and of course we're in a lockdown due to the virus, but I wasn't going to let that stop me from making this. So yes, this is store-bought tzatziki. I did not make my fresh tzatziki sauce, but I didn't really have the other ingredients for that, and I did have some of this, so we are going to use that. And I got a little bit of lettuce and cucumber here. I'm going to put it on there, make this nice little chicken pita. Alright, so let's take a little taste here. Make my little homemade Greek chicken pita. Yeah, ma'am. That Greek seasoning from FreshJax. It's just like I was in Greece. Tzatziki sauce. The chicken is really good. It really helps if you sous vide it first so it stays juicy. Pita is really soft, ready to go. Well, I'm going to go finish this and make some more for my family. Make sure you follow the Fire and Water Cooking podcast, Fire and Water Cooking Facebook page, Fire and Water Cooking Facebook group, Instagram. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Make sure you check out the Fire and Water Cooking podcast on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.